Hey guys, welcome back to the corner for Spanky's Crafty Corner 2019 Group Challenge, 52 weeks of tags. We are in week 11. Holy moly. And week 11 falls right before St. Patrick's Day. So, that is going to be our theme, St. Patrick's Day. And as always, I pre-gessoed my tag this time. It's 7 inches long by 3.5 inches wide. And our word for this week is lucky. And we have to use clovers. That's our texture material. And our colors are green, orange, and white. And I just want to let you know that if you want to add other items to your tags other than these that are here, you can. You can embellish them any way, you can add other elements, that's totally up to you, but these items should be on your tag. And I will post the items again up in the corner. Actually, we'll probably put them over here in this corner. Move that over here. So I have some items out. I'm going to use this tissue paper, which has orange diamond type design on it. I have some stickers and some gems. There's some more stickers I have over here. And then I'm going to use these alphabet gem stickers, which are orange, and I will put them on this white piece of cardstock here. So let's get started. What I'm going to do first is Mod Podge this tissue paper onto my tag. And I can't find my other paintbrush, so got a very different one. Make sure this one ain't gonna break off on me. And we're just gonna lather that baby up. Get a good cover on there. Yeah. Alright, slide that over. Put that there. Grab my baby wipe so I can wipe this mess up. My mat is drying, so I'll have that out right this minute. I'm just going to lay this on. Like so. Okay. I think I'm good on all my edges, maybe? Nope. Okay. Excuse me. I need to find my little cutting board here. There we go. I'm just going to use my little blade, and I'm going to trim. Whoops. Try to trim the excess off. We'll go this way. Probably work a little better. I could just wait till it dries and use my scissors, so. Yeah, it's not dry yet. Let's help this along. Okay. Good. Go. And now I'm going to go over the top with a layer of Mod Podge. You get up from there. It just flung into a different area of the craft room. Good thing Pixie's out there sleeping. I hope everybody's enjoying this challenge. As always, I say that in every video because I really do hope you guys are enjoying it and expanding yourselves. It has helped me because I'm doing a spring hop with a few other crafters. Miss Tanya McGuire reached out to me, and so keep a lookout for the hop videos coming out. March 22nd, I believe, is when they all will be published. And I already finished mine, and I had a blast doing mine, and it definitely was something different than what I've done, and I think it turned out really good. I'd give you a peek, but I can't, so you have to wait until the video. And there's several of us, so you'll have to keep an eye in the description box when the video's posted and check out all the ones who are in it. It's gonna be a blast. So let me dry this really quick. All right, we are dry. Dang it. Okay, let's move that. Oh, this is gonna be cute. Let me poke my hole. There we go. Okay. I had a couple people inquiring about my hands, the redness. I have psoriasis, so sometimes certain things make me break out, and doing certain cleaning has really aggravated them, so that's why. But nothing to freak out about. I'm very self-conscious about it, so sometimes I'm kind of I try to hide it, but sometimes you just can't. It's hard to, and a lot of times gloves don't work, so I need to ink at the edge of this. I'm just going to use my Versamark here, or not Versamark, this is Archival Black. Get your colors right, Spanky. Add a little bit of color to that. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to put my word lucky on this. Okay. L-U. Well, over that way. The letters I wanted to use, I didn't have enough letters to go with it, so I couldn't use it. We'll have to slide some of those over so it's more even. That's just a scrap piece of watercolor paper I had here. So come on, go down. That's what he said. That's what she said. Spanky, behave. I think instead of using that we're going to use a horseshoe right here. So let me grab this horseshoe really quick. Oh yeah, that's going to look super cute. Oh, I didn't slide it over much, but that's alright. I want to add this little sticker here onto it. There we go. Oh, it'd work better if I had a 4-leaf clover. Do I have a 4-leaf one? Yes, that big one, but... Ooh. Oh, I got an idea. I have these. Alright, let's put that little button. It's like a glittered button. So we're gonna stick that on there. Let's see. My hot glue gun's on. Well, it's not on, it's plugged in, so we'll use that to glue that on. And that'll go like that on the tag. Cute! And I want to add this up in here in this corner. Maybe. These are from last year when I was working. I had these all stuck on my face. It's got something stuck on it. It's got glitter, or not glitter, but sticky. There we go. Excuse me. Ooh. Have this giant clover there. Ooh, maybe I'll do the dark one. Let's see. Do it like that. And then put Lucky across like that. No, I think that's too big to use. I like this one. I don't know. Excuse me. Oh. I almost want to put this on cardstock or something, but I probably wouldn't be able to cut it out straight. There we go, that. And use some of these gold clovers here. That one's going to go down here. Horseshoe there. Let's see. Hi, Pixie. Okay. Hi, baby. Oops. Okay. You okay? Super cute. Excuse me. And I think that's gonna be good. We're just gonna use hot glue and put it on. Stick it right here. I like that. Cute. Well, that light is so bright today. Let me turn that down a little bit. Oh, that's a little better. Stick it right there. And Pixie's at my feet. Oh, it's not really covering the edge of that, is it? Where's my... here. I don't even really usually edge my tags. What do you want, Pixie? Should have been feeling good. She was sneezing earlier. Okay. Well, I'd have to say that's a quick video. Sometimes they're go quick, sometimes they don't. But ouch. I want those. I think this one's cute. There. I think that's cute. I like it. Bow right here. I usually like to put it on that so you can see it better. I like it. Close that up before I forget. Well, there we have it. This week's tag challenge. And I hope everybody has a fabulous day. I think St. Patrick's Day is coming up. What day is it? The 17th? I think. Yes. The Sunday, 17th. Yeah. But we'll probably do another St. Patrick's Day type theme for the following week. So don't get rid of your greens. Oh, I know what the next one is. I think. Yeah. I can't tell you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!